Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 Cnc Plasma Cutter. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Cnc Non-HF Pilot Arc AC8000. Specifications. Brand name, Arcsonic. Input voltage, 220 volts and 380 volts. Rated current, 80 amps. Usage, plasma cutting machine. Dimensions, 630 x 350 450 mm. Model number, AC8000/Cut80NP. Max cutting thickness, 30 mm at 70 psi dry air. Power component, IGBT. Arc starting, non-HF pilot arc. Duty cycle, 60% and 80 amps, 100% and 70 amps. CNC port, support. 2T/4T, yes. The item number 2 is Plasmargan Air Plasma Cutter PLC55 Pro. Specifications. Brand Susan's. Welding thickness 1 to 14 mm. Welding current 1050A. Frequency 85%. Model Cut 50 Pilot Arc. Input amperage 50 amps. MPN does not apply. Dimensions 406 x 205 425 mm. Item type, plasma cutter. Power factor 0.93. Weight 10 kg. Insulation class. Rated duty cycle, 70%. UPC, does not apply. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Cnc IGBT Non-HF Pilot Arc Cut 55i. Specifications. Brand name, Arcsonic. Input voltage, 110 volts/220 volts. Rated current, 55A. Dimensions, 352 x 155 279 mm. Model number, Cut 55i and Cut 55X. Arc starting, non-HF pilot arc. Clean cutting thickness, 20 mm at 70 psi 220 volts. Air pressure range, 30 to 70 psi. Cutting thickness severance, 25 mm at 70 psi 220 volts. Duty cycle, 40% at 104 F. Pulse frequency, 100 Hz. Rated duty cycle, 60%. Pilot arc current, 14A. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.